So infinity breathing, if we can, we're breathing in and out through our nose. And you can follow my cursor as well. You can follow it on the screen with your finger or just your eyes. And if at any time you just want to close your eyes and follow just my words, that's an option as well. So we begin with the exhale. So you see my blue cursor here. Infinity breathing. So exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Breathing out and in. Out and in. Out, in. Out, in. Out, in. Out, in. Out, in. Out, in. And out. So feel free to keep that breath going. Or you can just allow your breath to return to its usual pace. When we focus on our breath, it brings us into this present moment. We focus on the words in and out. It helps to focus the mind. Focusing the mind on the here and now. And resting in this stillness after the breath. When you're ready, gently moving the fingers and the toes. And if you have the eyes closed, opening the eyes.